This is Scott Harrison.
Woo!
All right.
That other guy
Waiting for officials.
no cab behind his seat. You can see right through.
Let's get the countdown for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag.
Oh, there goes Scott's boss. He's okay, he's okay. Tailgate's still on. Atta boy. Staying aggressive. He's good, he's good. Uh-oh. Get out of there, get out of there. Regroup, turn around. Atta boy. Front wheel, maybe. Oh no, he lost it. Oh no. It ripped the axle right out. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Are they gonna call him out? He can't move. His whole axle. He welded that. Just rolling his axle. Oh no. Tilted it. Oh no. I don't know if he's
3, 2, 1, green flag.
Oh, he's moving. I don't know if he'll be able to do it. Yeah. You're smoking now. Cut it so you don't overheat. Oh no.
The 16, the 631.
Oh, you heard that. The 16, trying desperately to make ahead. And he makes a hit. Right on 59 seconds. The 16 makes contact with the 631. Back on level playing field. Count is on the 16. Count is on the 16. Count is on the 631. As she gets in reverse. There she is. Contact. 16. Under the count. That's awesome.
Both drivers
Got a
have
freaking
equal
win.
playing field.
Scott lost to a girl.